Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a really simple A-frame kit shelter, nice and straightforward. Now we can do this with the plastic loops. I'll show you that in a later video, but for today, to keep it incredibly simple, what we're going to do is timber hitch one side, tension knot the other, tarp over the top, anchored down. Really simple and straightforward. So let's get on with it. Okay, so we've got our ridge line in place here with our two knots, and you can see that what happens there is I've put my tarp over the top, just draped it over, making sure this central point is in the center if I can. And then what I do, so there's a little bit of background noise over there from the Forestry Commission, then what I do is I'm going to peg it down the opposite corners to keep this tarp in a really good shape. Obviously as I go, some tweaks and adjustments might be needed, but then I'll show you the end result and we'll take a look inside, and this will be hopefully the perfect kit shelter to keep all of your belongings dry should you need it. The ground's relatively dry today, so it should be no problem at all. But again, opportunities for you to tweak and adjust as you need to, but this is a relatively straightforward shelter to build. So let's get building. So as I'm building it, I'm making tweaks and adjustments. As you can see, what's great about these DD Tarps is the amount of additional loops you have around the edge to do additional tasks if you need to. You can start to pull more tension. You can do an attachment at the top here as well. You can also put a pole underneath and push this up for more space. But let me take you inside now and just show you the advantages of something nice simple like this. So I'm going to get right down inside here. So I'm kneeling down at the moment, a little bit further here in terms of head height, but I've got a lot of space. So I can lay my kit down here, I can lay down here if I needed to. Plenty of space, this nice, simple A-frame kit shelter. I'm going to take you outside now. I also wanted to mention to you that if you need additional lockdown points, you've also got them along here as well. So you've got 1, 2, 3, not currently utilised, another 3 on the other side. And as I also mentioned, I've got pegs today, but you could well use the natural resource around you. You could whittle down if you needed to, grab some of this, whittle it down into an appropriate peg and use that as well. So lots of opportunities here, but I thought I'd just quickly show you today a nice, simple, straightforward shelter using the DD Tarp.